Welcome to the American Midwest. It's been called the breadbasket to the world, where rich soil and leading-edge agriculture come together to yield abundant crops of wheat, corn, and oilseeds. Though international competition has grown in recent years, the United States remains the world's most reliable, cost-effective supplier of grains, thanks in large part to the North American rail system, led by industry innovators like BNSF Railway. As America's largest transporter of grain by rail, BNSF hauls upwards of 40 million metric tons of grain over more than 51,000 kilometers of track each year, connecting more of the nation's major grain-producing areas to more domestic markets and ports for international export than any other railroad. We've also pioneered such innovations as shuttle trains, unit trains, and a strategic network design that maximizes capacity and minimizes time to market. Together with our customer partners, BNSF and the North American rail industry have helped to create the most advanced grain handling and distribution system in the world. By leveraging the collective assets of our partners throughout the logistics chain, BNSF is able to offer grain buyers an unmatched level of service options for sourcing and moving grain. The result is a logistics network that gives buyers the flexibility to find the most cost-effective transportation solution for almost any type of grain. The cornerstone of our innovative grain transport solution, however, is the shuttle train. 110 large-capacity covered hopper cars, all filled with grain. Unlike mixed freight trains, these dedicated trains shuttle back and forth between where they're loaded and the mill, storage facility, or port. At every step of the way, time and efficiency are of the essence. The velocity and volume of these shuttles give buyers a key advantage in the marketplace, enabling them to get grains to market in a timely and cost-effective manner. Each crop is expedited from the field to a grain storage terminal or elevator, where it is then graded for quality and marketed to potential customers around the world. The grain is then loaded onto a shuttle train with a combined capacity of as much as 13,200 metric tons of grain. Despite its enormous capacity, an entire shuttle train can be loaded or unloaded in 15 hours or less. No matter where in the U.S. the shuttle train originates, the grain is just days away from major U.S. export facilities. From there, shipping vessels have convenient access to overseas markets, including Asia, Europe, and Africa. Thanks to ongoing investments in our railway infrastructure and equipment, BNSF is better equipped to handle the challenges of agricultural transport than any other grain handling railroad on the continent. We are continually expanding our geographic reach and increasing buyer flexibility by committing about $2 billion a year to capital projects, with roughly 10 to 20% of that capital going toward facility expansion in any given year. And we have added an average of 200 new locomotives each year for the past several years to keep grain deliveries moving reliably. The increased velocity of our shuttle service equipment reduces capital expense and helps keep shipping costs low. BNSF also has an ongoing commitment to maintaining fluidity while handling increased volumes. We hire thousands of dedicated crew members each year to ensure a seamless supply chain experience for our customers. Total cycle time for BNSF grain deliveries from the point of origin to the export facility and back again averages just 7 to 8 days, about half the industry average of 2 weeks. And as BNSF develops even more tools and techniques to move more grain, grain buyers all over the world will continue to reap the rewards. BNSF is also committed to maintaining advanced information technologies that pick up where traditional information tools leave off, with information systems that save our customers time and money and make doing business with BNSF easy. Every shipment is managed and monitored at BNSF's state-of-the-art Network Operations Center, according to a transportation service plan designed to meet customer expectations. From large international grain companies to independent distributors, BNSF Railway's online and remote management tools give our customers the ability to manage their shipments. This hands-on approach to supply chain management enables customers to maximize their resources, speeding delivery time and providing cost efficiency along the way. The value that we bring to the business relationship extends far beyond the industry norm. Yet, this is just a hint of what the future holds. In the years to come, BNSF will continue to invest and innovate to better serve our customers. Just as farmers must plant their crops and tend their land well before harvest time, the companies that serve them must stay a step ahead of the market in order to reap greater rewards down the line. No one understands that better than BNSF. As the global economy continues to flourish, we'll be ready to handle the growing demand. And with the help of educational initiatives such as our partnership with the International Grains Program at Kansas State University, our customers will be positioned to take full advantage of the market opportunities that lie ahead.